Panay ang videos pero wala pa ring views? Hindi tumataas ang iyong rank sa Crosswave? Ano nga ba ang dapat nating gawin para tumaas ang ating points sa Crosswave at makawithdraw tayo ng mas maraming points? Ito ang video na para sa'yo, kaya kung ako sa'yo, tapusin mo ang video na ito. How to rank higher on Wave campaigns. Why other videos and yours don't? So for today's video, I will tell you step-by-step procedure on how to gain higher views and higher points on your Crosswave. Number 1 is what we call our evaluation philosophy. To protect reward integrity and prevent inflation, our system operates on a philosophy that is conservative by default. In other words, your content starts at the base level and scores based on what you're doing right. Essentially, our AI looks at content through marketer's lens. It asks a simple question. If I were a game marketer, would I pay to promote this video? If the answer is unclear, the score will likely remain conservative. Only content that demonstrates clear value to real viewers is expected to receive high scores. Yes, parang sa school lang po iyan ulit. Ginigradean po tayo ng AI kung gaano kaganda at ka-quality ang ating mga videos na ina-upload. Hindi po pwedeng upload lang tayo ng upload without content. Keep in mind that even when technically valid for entry, low impact and low value content may be excluded from rank and at the evaluation system's discretion. In some cases, members of the Crosswave team will manually review content to monitor the progress of the evaluation system and or check for abusive streamer behavior. Kung mapapansin po natin, nung una tayong sumali sa Crosswave at upload tayo ng mga videos, makikita natin na mataas yung ating points, tama? Pero ngayon, i-check natin ang ating mga points, pababa ng pababa ng pababa. Bakit? Kasi maraming mga content creators na mas may magaganda, mas valid at mas catchy ang kanilang videos at yon ang hinahanap ni AI. Number 2. High quality signals, what we encourage. So, ito yung mga dapat nating tandaan at ito yung dapat nating gayahin. Our AI evaluation scores content higher when it includes specific elements that denote effort and human connection. Dapat po meron tayong human connection. Dapat 30 seconds of our video pa lamang ay hindi na ini-skip ng mga viewers ang ating video. To boost your video impact score, focus on the following. Number 1, clear narrative. Videos should have a distinct topic, such as strategy guide, reaction, or opinion, rather than generic, aimless gameplay. So kung ang video mo ay para sa tutorial, make it a tutorial video. Dapat step-by-step procedure ang pagpapaliwanag at dapat ito ay malinaw. Number 2, intentional editing. Cut out dead air, loading screens, or boring sections to keep the viewer engaged. Dapat hindi matagal ang sunuran ng mga videos. Iwasan po natin ang dead air gaya po ng ganon. Bawal po ng may dead air kasi ayaw iyon ng AI at ayaw iyon ng mga viewers. Number 3, streamer presence. Whether you're on a camera or connecting via voice, consistent presence in the video is a strong positive signal for Crosswave. Hindi po recommended na voice over lamang at mga tutorial videos ang ating ina-upload. Dapat po makita ang ating muka, ang ating presence at ang ating... Number 4, audio quality. Continuous streamer audio is preferred over simple game sounds. Be sure to balance your sound so your voice is clear and not drowned out by gameplay. Number 5, professional presentation. Use active subtitles, captions, and custom creator-made thumbnails to stand out. If in number 2, which is high-quality signals and what we encourage, here in number 3, low-impact signals, what to avoid. Ito naman po yung mga dapat natin na iwasan. Iwasan natin ito na mai-upload or maisama sa ating mga content. Certain patterns are strongly discouraged and will likely result in low evaluation or possible rejection. So, pwede po tayong ma-reject. Pwedeng ma-reject ang ating mga videos at hindi ito ma-count to gain more points. Avoid the common pitfalls. Sa content issues, raw footage, gameplay-only footage with no narrative, purpose, or commentary. Meron naman po tayong mga editing app gaya na lamang ng CapCut at mas marami pang iba. Ito na lamang ay nakabase sa iyo kung paano mo i-explore ang pag-i-edit. Kapag nag-upload po tayo ng raw video, as in raw, kagaya po ng raw lang na walang editing, ito po ay magre-result ng low points. Repetition, meaningless repeated gameplay or re-uploading similar content. So kung kayo po ay mag-a-upload, make sure na each video, different content or different explanation po ang ating i-upload. Relevance, of course, videos unrelated to the specific Wave campaign or target game or titles that do not match the content. Huwag po tayong mag-a-upload ng mga videos na hindi connected sa ating Wave cross content. Dapat po ito ay laging relevant. Fragmentation, very short videos or single video is split into many small fragments. So dapat lagi tayong may effort sa mga videos na ating ginagawa. Production technical issues. Ito yung dapat nating iwasan. Again, dead air, long idle, pause or frozen gameplay segments. Gaya nga po ng sinabi ko, ang dead air ay isa sa pinaka-red flag na dapat nating iwasan. Visual faults, black screen, sections or excessive non-game visuals. Yung paulit-ulit lamang po na pag-use ng mga stickers na hindi naman relevant or yung masyado na bang overcrowded yung mga nasa screen, which is hindi na po siya masyadong presentable. Audio faults, videos with no audio, severe microphone distortion or a streamer's voice that is buried under game sound. So dapat nga po pantay lang ang ating background music at ang ating voice over. We are down to number 4, step-by-step procedure on how to gain more points. Number 4, upload frequency and farming. While the first version of CrossWave did not penalize volume-based submission, the new Wave actively discourages this type of behavior. Uploading many similar or fragmented videos does not increase rewards. You are much more likely to succeed by working hard in a single impactful video than a series of low-quality cuts from one session of raw gameplay. When in doubt, always remember quality over quantity. So kahit isang video lang, basta ito ay mayroong impact at makakatch ang atensyon ng mga viewers, ito po ay maaaring mag-cause ng mas maraming points. Number 5, review times and AI evolution. With the new system recently launched, we are currently in a period of consistent abuse monitoring with the AI evaluation system is being configured for maximum effectiveness and scalability. The CrossWave team will closely monitor its operations in an effort to identify and minimize any abusive behaviors. And number 6, verification and fair play. To protect legitimate streamers and ensure fair reward distribution, KYC or Know Your Customer verification may be required. YouTube success, CrossWave success. So, if your YouTube videos has many views, ibig sabihin, ang iyong Wave Cross ay magkakaroon din ng successful and bountiful points. So, ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Mag-upload ng video na mayroong quality at tiyak na makakatch ang ating mga viewers para makagain tayo ng mas maraming points. Kung gusto niyo pang makadiscover ng mas madaming tips kung paano kumita at kung paano magkaroon ng points sa CrossWave, ipollow lamang ako sa ating YouTube channel, Ma'am Riri. Thank you for watching!